You set to change the iPhone screen colors back to normal. If you suspect that the colors on your iPhone are not what they're supposed to be, like this for example, you can change them. Or if they're just not what you like, you can change them as well. Just tap and hold on any open space till the apps jiggle. Tap on Edit in the top corner. Then tap Customize. And the color adjustment may have happened here. You can change that back to default or whatever other option you want to choose here. But if that doesn't change the colors, then there's something in your settings. So let's open your settings app. Let's make sure we're all the way back in the main area. Let's go down to accessibility. Then let's tap on display and text size. Then you want to make sure that you have differentiate with color turned off, smart invert turned off, classic invert turned off, and color filters turned off. Because all of these can really affect how your screens look. Look how classic invert changes everything. Smart invert does as well. Changes it less than classic, but it definitely changes it. And color filters, they change it as well. It could be completely grayscale, which will be independent of that customized screen that we saw earlier. You can only change that in these settings. If you go ahead and turn all these off, the colors should be back to normal. And that's how we do it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I try to answer them the best I can. And if you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. You've probably never done that before, so you should probably do it. Check out that video, and I'll see you there.